The dynamic of the training is fantastic because we have a very professional content. It's intense. There's also the group dynamic. We are about 24, and we have a lot of peer group sessions in between the training sessions, and it's really a fantastic support. And we have a group very international from all over Europe, in even New Zealand. Personally, it has helped me to see myself better, to understand myself, to have access to me. It's a combination of sometimes we have an intuition, but then the EA training brings words and brings something deeper to what we feel or we sense or we perceive in our daily life, even from the past. It also opened to very perspective, new ways. And professionally, it's really an intensive training. There's a lot of knowledge, a lot of techniques and tools, and it really moves me to be better and really to help people in my practice. So yeah, it has changed me. I know Alfred for maybe now